Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have another little Dollar Tree DIY for the 4th of July. So I live in an apartment and I have a balcony that I would like to decorate on the rails, and I bought some of this ribbon to make some bows with to put on the corner, but I had an extra roll and I had some of these left over from my DIY earlier this week, and I thought, what am I going to do with all this stuff? So I came up with something. So we're going to be using this. We're going to be using these leftovers plus a couple of more. We're going to need some of the Velcro fasteners from the Dollar Tree. And these aren't quite the ones that I wanted to use, but I couldn't find the other little teeny tiny ones, but they're going to work, and so we're going to make them work. And I already had these, so we're going to use some of these removable hooks, except mine are going to be not removable. And then we're going to use 4 of these little banner flags here. So, you're probably wondering, what the heck are we going to do with all this stuff? Well, we are going to make some hanging things for my balcony. Now, I went ahead and cut the ribbon for time saving or whatever. So this is the ribbon. It's really pretty. I love the burlap and stuff. I cut some probably about 6 inches long. I cut 4 of those, and then I cut about 4 of these that are about 12 inches long. Now, these are going to wrap around my balcony, so I really can't say that this is going to work for you if you have a balcony or you have somewhere else you would like to hang these. You just kind of have to measure your own things. So first of all, let me move this out of the way and we'll get started. Okay, so we're going to get started with the little plaques, and I'm just going to start by just snipping off any of this leftover ribbon on the back that shows, and I'm going to cut all these off. I should have done this beforehand. I apologize for not doing it, but and in fact, we could take every bit of it off, but I don't want to. But I am impressed that Dollar Tree actually used double-sided tape, made it white, and to do these with. So these I'm just going to snip off. And I'm going to take the little top of it off as well. Okay, so I have all those done now. And I'm just going to pick out 4 of them because I'm going to have one left over, but I'm going to do something else with that. So I'm going to take I Love America, Home of the Brave, 4th of July, and Home of the Brave. Actually, I think, well, no, I'm going to keep it red, white, blue. Okay. So I'm taking these 4 right here. And then on the back of these, I'm going to be using my little Velcro fasteners. I have a vast supply of these things because every time they put them in my store, I buy them because usually when I want them, they don't have them. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these little strips here. I'm going to start with the long ones first. I'm going to fold them over like this so that they're touching here because I know about how much room for the closure that I need. And the first thing I'm going to do is right where that hole is, just right below that hole, I am going to put a drop of glue. And y'all, this is the stringiest glue I've ever had. I don't know what's going on with it. Okay. And it is a little warm, but okay. So then I'm going to take my 2 glue dots, put them together. I'm going to put one on this side. And one on this side. Thinking I probably should have put some glue on those, but we'll see how it holds up. And put one right here. Then I'm going to fold this over and I'm going to stick it down. And just let that sit there for a few minutes so that can adhere. And then I'm going to take a little one of the little sheets I did, and I'm going to put a little drop of glue down here. Like so. And then I'm going to put Velcro fasteners on that. And it is pouring out raining tonight, so I can't even show you what these are going to look like. However, before this video goes live, if I can get a picture of it, I will do that. And then I'm just going to fasten it about halfway down like that. Whoops. On this one, I think I need to go all the way around. Yep. Okay. I'm going to fasten that down like that. So, there we go. Now, what this is going to fasten to is my rail on my patio. This one is for the top rail that goes around. It's a little bit thicker. And this is for the side rail that goes underneath it. So, then what we're going to do is take 2 of these little fasteners. And I really wanted the smaller ones, but they didn't have the smaller ones. So I'm going to try to make them as small as possible. And I am going to pull this off. I'm going to snip this bottom part off because I don't want these to be removable. I'm going to put a little hot glue on the bottom of this. And then I'm going to stick it down as close to the bottom and edge as I can. Because like I said, I really wanted those little tiny ones, but they didn't have any. And I didn't have any in my stash. Now, that's hard to believe, isn't it? Well, I did have some, and then I used them on my cupboards for my measuring cups and stuff to hang inside my cabinets. So I'm just going to do this like so. And then put that down as close as possible to the bottom. And straighten that out. Now, that's what it's going to look like. Then, what's going to happen is, this right here, minus the tag, it's going to hang from the little hooks so they can hang down on my balcony like this. So I don't know if you can, I'll bring this up just a tiny little bit so it hangs like this. And probably I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue on here and, oh, I'm so sorry. Didn't mean to shake the camera there. Also, on these flags, these just are tied on here. So what I may do is actually take these off and shorten them a little bit. So let me just do one more of these with you, and then I'm going to finish them up and I'll show you the finished product. So, once again, we're going to take this, flip it over, get the long one, fold it over like so. Make sure I got it up the right way. And then fight with the glue gun cord. And this is really nice because it's got a little hump that's directly in the middle. I measured it. And whoops, wrong way. And we're just going to put that in there like so. And then we'll take our glue fasteners, our glue dots, our Velcro dots, and It's always easier if you put these things together before you try to stick them. That way you have exactly where you want it to go. And I'm just going to bring this down like so. Try to measure it up. Oh, I did good on that one. Okay. And then we're going to take the little small one. We're going to go this way on it. Like I said, this is for my side rail. I'm going to try to put that in the middle of the board. And then take a couple more of the stickers. I'll tell you, these things really are sticky. Now, after I hang them up, if I see that I need to go back and add glue, I will. Right now, it doesn't look like I'm going to need it, but we'll see. And then I'm just going to fold this over to meet this side. Okay. And there we go for that one. And then I'm just going to take the two little ends here. Take that off. Clip the bottom off. Put a little glue. And then try to stick it as best as I can closest to the edge. And just let that adhere. I think I'm going to cut this one off first. There we go. Okay. Make sure that's about even there. Looks like it. There we go. Okay. So we have another one done. And I'm going to finish these up and I'll be back to show you what they all look like. Okay, so I have all of them done and this is what they look like. This is the front and this is the back. These will wrap around the rail like this on the top, and then on the side they'll wrap around the little rail going down. Like I said, hopefully I'll have a thumbnail with showing how it looks on there. But like it's pouring down raining and thunderstorming right now. There's no way I could go outside and do this for you. So anyway, just a really quick, easy DIY. And I'm going to take this one that's left over that says I Love America. And I'm going to put 3 key ring things right here with a loop of this right here, because I am going to be having a little 4th of July get together. And so these are going to be for people's car keys to hang on right here. And so I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to put a little loop on the back here. I'm going to put like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 little car ring. You know, I'm trying to find the smaller ones by the end and put those on the bottom and hang these up for safe drivers. You know, hang your keys and check with me before you leave. So that's what I'm going to do with the extra one. I just didn't have enough of these little things right here to do them for you today. But that's an idea for you also. So I hope you like this really quick and easy DIY. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. That really helps me to know what you like, what I do on the channel, you know, what you would like to see. You can put that down in the comment box. And also, if you've not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so by hitting that little subscribe button up there, and make sure you tap the bell so you can be notified each and every time that I upload a new video. All right, my friends, thank you so much for watching. I will see you all again Monday for Monday morning coffee and whatever else I have planned for the week. Have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you all soon. Bye.